Boulevardier cocktail started showing up in the 1920s. This beautiful cocktail features bourbon or rye whiskey, Campari and sweet vermouth. It's a simple variation to the classic Negroni that is loved for its bittersweet and boozy balance. The Boulevardier nowadays is a classic, of course, that you see mostly using bourbon, but few people prefer the spiciness coming from the rye whiskeys. You can try both ways. Let's start. So, as you know, the Negroni is worked with equal parts gin, sweet vermouth and Campari. It's the same for a Boulevardier. So let's use my Woodford bourbon whiskey, 30 ml. I've got my bitter Campari Passion Love, 30 ml, and my sweet vermouth. Let's do also 30 ml. Let's add some ice and give it a beautiful stir. With my bar spoon, to get the right balance and dilution, I will stir in between 35 to 40 seconds. You can count and you will be sure that you will achieve the perfect balance on this classic cocktail. Beautiful. I've got my beautiful clear translucent ice rock. I will strain over. And I have my orange peel ready to go. I will give it, involving my bar spoon, extracting, releasing all the oils. And also the results will be beautifully on top of my Boulevardier. Cheers!